What's up, you guys? Today we are going to be smoking video. It's going to be the craziest shit I've ever seen. That is for real, yo. No cap. As per usual. So today we're going to get more stoned than someone breaking the law, and I rap. Okay, you need to make sure to leave a like though if you want to see it. If you really want to see it, you better hit the subscribe button, y'all. You know what I'm saying. That's what you leave a like. Hit that sub. Hit that bell, baby. Okay, smash that bell, baby. Smash the bell. Baby. And then maybe even leave a comment. Drop a like. You know, say something nice in the comments. Make me feel good about myself, yo. Hey, yo. That weed. That weed. Yo. Leave a like, or I am going to commit suicide. I got invited by the person who taught me everything to come try the craziest shit us stoners ever seen. Bruh, he is the shaman of weed smoking. I wouldn't be able to eat breakfast if it weren't without my G, my top G spiritual leader, baby. The inventor of THC, the inventor of cutting ham and placing it diagonally on the sandwich. This man is a genius. If you haven't had a water at Shaman of the THC's house, you ain't never had water. You ain't never had a dinner at Shaman of THC's house? Well, you might as well be starving, bro. He's got the craziest shit you've ever seen. Let's go check it out.
I smoke marijuana so I don't beat my wife and children. I smoke marijuana so I don't
Come with me, my son, for you can see what I've saw. You can see what I've created. Behold, my creation, Super Ultra Hitter 1503. Take a hit, my son, and see realms of beyond. For your mere mortal soul will not hold you back from the greatness you will achieve on this day.
Oh my God! What? Yo! Oh my God! Yo!
Will not hold you back. Will not hold you back. You are ready, my son. Take it. Grab here and let it fall apart. I'll light you up, my boy. It has taken another one. The astral plane. Blessed be his soul. Blessed be his soul.